you want to get your Google OAuth key, first head over to Google Cloud. Right at the top navigation bar next to the Google Cloud logo, you will see your current project name. Give that a click. If you need a new one, you can create it by giving it a simple name and choosing the parent organization. But I already have one ready, so I just select my existing project. Next, in the search bar at the very top, type people and choose Google People API from the results. Go ahead and click Enable to turn it on. Once that's done, look on the left sidebar for Credentials and click on it. Now click the Create Credentials button and select OAuth Client ID from the drop-down. You might see a warning pop up saying you need to configure the consent screen first. No problem at all. Just go ahead and click on it. You land on the branding page. Click Get Started, fill in your app's basic information, choose External as the audience, add your contact details, agree to the terms, and finish the setup. Now go back and click on Create OAuth Client ID. Select Web Application as the type, give your application a friendly name, and then add your authorized redirect URIs, one for your local setup and another for your actual domain. Once everything looks good, hit Create. And there you go. You will now see your client ID and client secret appear on the screen. Make sure you copy both of them carefully and save them somewhere safe. Also, click the Download JSON button so you have a backup file ready. That's it. You now have your Google OAuth credentials ready to use. Go ahead and plug them into your project and create something awesome.